Hey, good Monday afternoon. Let's do a quick weather update for you as we kick off a new work week. And boy, not much has changed since the weekend. It is still just absolutely spectacular outside this afternoon. Just a few wispy cirrus clouds. You can't even see them on our Window World weather camera here in downtown Youngstown, overlooking the skyline here. And, well, looks like a blackout in Boardman. But if the camera were working, you would see lots of sunshine in Boardman as well. We're still under the influence of this big dome of high pressure, which is parked right over the eastern U.S. and nary a cloud to be found pretty much until you head west of the Mississippi. And boy, have they had problems over the last 12 hours or so in the Houston area. You may have seen this on the news. Unfortunately, a life-threatening flooding situation still ongoing. Some cumulative rainfall totals here off the edge of the color bar. I mean, we're talking about over a foot worth of rain in just a little over 12 to 14 hours, especially in the northwestern suburbs of Houston. So a major, major problem down there. Nothing major going on around here except, of course, the warm air and the sunshine. And this is a day much more like late May or early June rather than mid-April. 76 here in the 2 o'clock hour in Sharon and Newcastle, 78 in Salem, 76 in Alliance. We hit 80 yesterday for the first time since September 18th, and a lot of backyards will hit 80 yet again today. Already 80 degrees in Springfield, Indy, Chicago, Cincinnati, Columbus is close to 80, Morgantown, Pittsburgh, all close to 80 this afternoon. And the big question is, of course, the pattern's got to change. When's it going to change? And on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, we're going to take a deep dive into the changes that will occur over the next 5 or 6 days, the longer range, and hey, is May going to end up being kind of like the second half of April, very warm compared to average? We're going to take a look at the climate models this evening on Weather for Weather Geeks. We'll talk about the precipitation anomalies as well. You know, we don't want to stay dry for too long. This dry stretch is nice. But, of course, too much dry weather in springtime can lead to some problems in the summer. We'll take a look at what the models are saying as far as rainfall totals compared to average in the coming weeks. That's on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, and, of course, 7-day forecast and all sorts of other good stuff on 21 News at 6 and 11 o'clock.